Hi everyone, I'm Lisbeth. Welcome to Moseholm Yoga. This video will help you release tension from your hips, your lower back and your pelvic floor. And remember, we all have a pelvic floor, both men, women, children, all of us. To begin with, find a comfortable seated position. However you sit nice and tall. You can rest your hands to your legs, close your eyes. Just take a moment to settle on your yoga mat. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a long, slow breath out through your mouth. Deep breath in to fill you up and a long, slow breath out. Relax. Relax your jaw, relax your shoulders, relax your hips. Just take a few deep breaths here, letting your breath move your body. Big inhales and long, slow exhales. Maybe a gentle sway side to side. And then again you can open your eyes. From here, bring your legs out in front of you so that you can hold your arms around your legs here. Take a big inhale, arch your back, relax your shoulders, open your chest. And as you exhale, round your back, lean a bit backwards, maybe rock a little side to side. Take another deep breath in, arch your back, relax your shoulders away from your ears. And as you exhale, round your back, you can lean backwards, maybe rock a bit side to side. We do this one more time. Big inhale, arch your back, relax your shoulders, open up. And exhale, round your back. You can lean backwards, maybe rock a bit side to side. And then coming back to the middle, make your way to your back here, drawing your knees with you as you roll down to your back. You can hold your hands around your knees and really relax your lower back towards the ground so that if you let go with your hands, your feet will fall to the ground. So you're holding your legs up with your hands around your knees here, relaxing your lower back and your tailbone towards the ground. And then start zigzagging your legs up and down here, right and left. Just in your own pace here, taking some deep breath, releasing tension from your lower back. Just taking some big inhales and long, slow exhales. Nice and easy here. And then just letting your legs drop or your legs rest here, and then you can rock a bit side to side. Maybe a bit forward and back. You can draw circles with your hips. Any little move that feels nice and releasing for any tension to your lower back here. Taking some deep breaths. And then you can draw each knee to your shoulders by holding your arms around your legs here, drawing your knees to each side, taking a few deep breaths, big inhales all the way to your belly, and slowly exhale. Inhale through your nose, and exhale through your mouth. Deep breaths, soften your face, relax your jaw. A very nice stretch to release tension from your hips, your lower back and your pelvic floor. From here, maybe you want to come into a happy baby pose where you grab your feet from the outside, maybe rocking a bit side to side. Or maybe staying static here in the middle, gently pulling your legs or your feet towards you. Your lower back towards the ground, taking some big inhales and long, slow exhales, Also a very nice way to release tension from your hips, your lower back and your pelvic floor. Deep breaths. And again, you can release your feet here. Maybe straighten your arms and legs in the air. You can draw circles with your feet, with your wrist, with your shoulders and your elbow joints, one way and the other. Nice and easy. And if you feel like it, you can shake your arms and legs and just release all the way down through your body to your lower back, your hips, your pelvic floor. Even release your shoulders, your neck, belly. Just breathe, just shake it off. Good, again you can bend your knees, place your feet to the ground, maybe just stretch your arms behind you here, open up. And then bring your arms down the side of your body. Start by stretching out your left leg here and keep your right knee bended. And then you start by holding your right hand around your right knee. You can move the side of the hip a little, maybe side to side, forward and back, maybe drawing a bit of circles here, one way and the other. Breathe in deep. And then with your left hand, you hold your right heel and gently pull that right heel towards your groin here on the right side, on the left side of your hip here and your groin. Taking some big inhales, deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. So gently pulling your right knee towards your right shoulder and your right heel towards the left side hip, the left side groin. Taking some deep breath in all the way to your belly and slowly exhale. Soften your face, relax your jaw. Deep breath in and long, slow breath out. And again, you can let go of your heel. Move this right side of your hip again. Some gentle moves. And then you can bring that right knee into your right elbow. Reach your left arm back behind you and out to the side. You can even flex your left foot if that gives a bit extra to the stretch for you. Taking some deep breath in all the way to your belly and slowly exhale. Deep breath in and long, slow breath out. Soften your face. Relax your jaw. Big inhales and long, slow exhales. Again, you can let your right knee come to your right hand and bring your left arm a bit further down the side of your body. Maybe move this right side of the hip a little. And then bringing your right leg all the way over to the left side into a twist. Reaching your right arm out to the side. Taking a few deep breaths here. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Big inhales that fill you up. And long, slow exhales, softening, relaxing. Deep breath in. And long, slow breath out. Again, coming back to the middle. You can hug your both knees to your chest, giving yourself a nice squeeze here, maybe rock a little side to side. And then we do the same thing left side. So you start by stretching out your right leg, hold your left hand around your left knee here, maybe move a bit side to side or forward and back. Maybe gently drawing circles with the side of your hip. Take in some deep breaths. And then you hold your left hand around your left knee and your right hand around your left heel here, and gently pull your heel towards your right side of your hip, your right groin, and your left knee towards your left shoulder, easy and gentle. And take in some deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Big inhales all the way to your belly. And slowly exhale. Deep breath in. And long, slow breath out. And then again, letting go of your heel. You can move this left side of the hip a little. And then bringing your left knee into your left elbow. Reach your right arm back behind you and a bit out to the side. You can flex your right foot if that feels good. Otherwise, you just relax your right foot. But maybe you feel the stretch a bit more as you're flexing your right foot. And then take some deep breath here all the way to your belly and slowly exhale. Always inhaling through your nose, calming your nervous system. And exhale through your mouth. Relax your jaw. When you relax your jaw, you help to release tension from other places in your body. And there is a connection between tension in your jaw and tension in your hips and your pelvic floor. So really think about relaxing your jaw. Release tension from your face, from your jaw. Take in some big inhales all the way to your belly and slowly exhale. Deep breaths. And again, you can let your left knee come to your left hand. Bring your right arm further down the side of your body. You can move this left side of your hip however it feels nice to move. Take in some deep breaths. And then eventually you can bring that left leg all the way over to your right side, coming into your twist. Turning your face towards the left. Take in some deep breath here. In through your nose. And slowly exhale through your mouth. Letting your inhales fill you up and create space. And your exhales soften and release. Deep breath in. And long, slow breath out. Again, you can bring your legs back to the middle and hug your both knees to your chest, or maybe draw your knees to each side, rock a little side to side. Maybe a happy baby pose one more time. Taking a few deep breaths. Maybe again, straighten your arms and legs in the air, move your feet, move your hands. Move your shoulder and your elbow joints one way and the other. Maybe shaking your arms and legs and just let it go, just shake it off. And stretch your legs and bring your feet again to the ground. Stretch your arms behind your back. And then roll to one side and make your way up to a comfortable seated position. However you sit nice and tall. Relax your shoulders back and down. And I hope you feel good.